Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best wrapping tape for injuries, the ADMITRY athletic tape. A 5-pack of white sports tape designed to provide strong, reliable support for joints and muscles during physical activities. This tape is crafted from 100% natural cotton and is completely latex-free, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin or latex allergies. The fabric is breathable and moisture-wicking, which means it helps keep sweat and humidity at bay, ensuring comfort even during intense workouts or long wear. Whether you're a gymnast, boxer, climber, or just someone recovering from an injury, this tape is designed to reduce tissue stress and provide essential joint support. Each roll measures 1.5 inches wide and 10 yards long, giving you plenty of tape to work with. One of the standout features of this product is its strong adhesive that sticks well but doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. This means you can apply it confidently without worrying about uncomfortable sticky patches when it's time to remove the tape. Another great aspect is the ease of use. The tape has an easy-to-tear zigzag edge, so you don't need scissors or any tools to cut it. This is especially handy when you need to wrap quickly or make adjustments on the go. Despite being easy to tear, it holds firmly once applied, ensuring your joints stay supported during your training or daily activities. The ADMITRY athletic tape is not just about support but also durability. It stays fixed for a long time, making it suitable for various sports like hockey, lacrosse, football, climbing, and more. The tape's strong grip means it can handle the rigors of intense physical movement without slipping or loosening. With its clean white appearance, this tape is visually appealing and professional looking. It also comes in convenient packaging that's easy to carry around or share with teammates and friends. In summary, the ADMITRY athletic tape offers a perfect balance of strength, comfort, and ease of use. Its natural cotton material, latex-free design, strong yet residue-free adhesive, and tear-by-hand convenience make it an ideal companion for anyone needing reliable injury support. If you want a tape that supports your joints effectively and stays comfortable throughout your activity, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.